The key fob battery in Jeep Grand Cherokee models from 2014 to 2021 can be easily replaced yourself. You'll need a CR232 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Carefully pry open the fob case at the seam. Remove the old battery, noting the correct polarity, plus side up. Insert the new CR232 battery with the plus side facing up. Snap the case back together and test the remote. CR2032 batteries cost $2 to $5 at stores like AutoZone or Amazon. Use of a high-quality battery is recommended to avoid shorts. These batteries generally last 5 to 7 years under normal use. Work in a dry environment to avoid moisture. If the remote doesn't work after replacing the battery, start by double-checking the battery polarity. Ensure the positive side faces up to avoid damaging the fob. Next, clean the battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol to remove any corrosion. This can restore functionality. If it still doesn't work, reprogram the fob by cycling the ignition key 8 to 10 times within 10 seconds. Alternatively, use an OBD2 scanner for reprogramming, though this may require professional assistance. According to a 2025 Consumer Reports survey, 40% of owners needed reprogramming after a DIY battery replacement.